Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my class. After introducing ourselves in the first day, let us now proceed with the first engage. I will ask you guys some questions and you have to cooperate with each other to answer my question. Let us start. First question. What is communication breakdown? How it happens and how it affects communication? Mr. Kabugnason will answer first, followed by Mr. Buenaventura, and then by Mr. Bitoon.
Communication breakdown occurs when there's a failure or misinterpretation in exchanging information, often due to misinterpretation, assumptions, lack of clarity, or not verified information.
This can lead to confusion, frustration, and conflict, affecting relationship, teamwork, and productivity.
Clear and respectful communication, active listening, and clarification can help prevent breakdowns and ensure effective communication.
Communication breakdown is when a message is not clearly conveyed. It happens when messages are misunderstood or misinterpreted. This can cause confusion, conflict, and problems in relationships and teamwork. Thank you for sharing. Now, for our next question, what are your self-made tips? Tips that are grounded in Christ-like values and ethical considerations for responsible communication to address and to prevent communication breakdowns. Mr. Biones will answer first, followed by Mr. Between, and lastly by Mr. Bourbon.
To address and prevent communication breakdowns, I prioritize active listening, clarity, and asking questions for understanding.
I also strive to embody Christ-like values such as patience, honesty, humility, and kindness in my interactions.
By doing so, aim to promote a culture of respect, empathy, and effective communication where individuals feel heard and valued.
Class, to prevent communication breakdowns, I encourage you to practice active listening, ask clarifying questions, and speak with kindness and respect. As Mr. Between just said, by embodying values like patience, humility, and empathy, we can communicate more effectively and build stronger relationships with others.